Thank you for being an Arctic Wolf Jumpstart retainer customer. In addition to incident readiness and preferred rates, this retainer ensures that the Arctic Wolf team is ready to engage when your organization experiences an incident. To ensure a smooth and fast response, there are also multiple planning resources available as part of the Jumpstart retainer. The IR Planner template is just one of the tools to help you be prepared and organized. But how do you get started? After logging into the portal, you will see a menu option for incident response. The dashboard provides a quick overview of your current retainer level, as well as a status of your incident response planner and the completion percentage of the 5 main categories. From this page, you can open the planner to add or update relevant information to help organize your team's response in case an incident occurs. Across the top, there are 5 different categories of information that should be collected and populated. This tool gives you a single repository to document critical information, including key contacts, technical partners, locations, and networks. Within a given category, there are suggestions to help you get started and think through your ideal response process. To define the response team, you will be prompted for their names, job titles, and contact information. You can also add and customize titles to help you collect and organize the information most important to your business. For external partners, the goal is to outline who delivers different services and how to contact them in the event of an emergency. While a few defaults are available, additional providers can be added based on your organization. Network information helps you to consolidate critical data about locations, data centers, cloud deployments, remote access, and supporting infrastructure. In the event of an incident, it will be critical to have all of this information in one place to avoid the time-consuming task of reaching out to different owners individually during an event. The incident escalation section helps you define and document different types of processes and communication strategies. For example, under endpoint and server monitoring, you can list critical information like antivirus solutions and network monitoring tools. Under critical systems, specific business functions can be outlined to help ensure fast restoration of your most important services. Each business function should include a description as well as specified contacts. This section is also highly customizable, and any number of business systems can be added. In the end, you will have a detailed, single source of truth plan that can be exported for easy sharing and reference. Your plan is securely stored outside of your network in the Arctic Wolf Unified Portal should you ever need to make changes or access it during a cyber attack. Arctic Wolf is a trusted leader in incident response. Our planning tools and IR services are purpose-built to provide everything you need to respond faster and emerge stronger.